Are you a fan of Budweiser beer but concerned about your calorie intake? You're not alone. Many people love the refreshing taste of this classic beer but want to know how many calories are in each bottle. In this article, we'll take a closer look at Budweiser calories and provide you with some low-calorie recipes to enjoy. Budweiser calories. How many calories are in a bottle of Budweiser? If you're watching your calorie intake, it's important to know how many calories are in each bottle of Budweiser beer. A standard 12-ounce bottle of Budweiser contains approximately 145 calories. If you're drinking from a larger bottle or can, the calorie count will be higher. However, Budweiser has recently released a new low-calorie beer, Budweiser Select 55, which contains only 55 calories per 12-ounce serving. How to reduce your Budweiser calorie intake. If you're looking to reduce your calorie intake while still enjoying Budweiser beer, there are a few simple steps you can take. First, consider switching to Budweiser Select 55. This beer contains significantly fewer calories than standard Budweiser, making it a great option for those who want to enjoy a beer without consuming too many calories. Another option is to limit your overall alcohol consumption. Drinking in moderation can help you maintain a healthy weight and avoid excess calorie intake. Additionally, you can opt for light beer options when available, or alternate alcoholic drinks with non-alcoholic options like water or light soda. Budweiser low-calorie recipes. Recipe 1. Low-calorie Budweiser Michelada. Recipe 2. Low-calorie Budweiser Margarita. Recipe 3. Low-calorie Budweiser Sangria. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.